Novasep's Pompey site has more than 25 years of experience in industrial chromatography. It is Novasep's centre of excellence for purification. On our site, Novasep's experts conduct purification process development, scale-up and manufacturing for both small molecules and biomolecules. The site is equipped with 2 industrial-scale purification workshops, supported by dedicated purification development facilities. Our first CDMO purification unit offers integrated downstream processing manufacturing services for biopharmaceuticals. Dedicated to commercial production, it consists of 1 production line, composed of multiple workshops and supported by integrated quality control laboratories. All production areas of this unit are clean rooms. Our second cGMP production plant offers custom purification services. It is composed of 2 main parts, 2 R&D laboratories and 3 kilo labs dedicated to purification process development and scale-up, supported by QC laboratories. 4 cGMP multi-purpose chromatographic lines for large-scale production. With more than 10 years' experience in the purification of natural-based molecules, Novasep's Pompey teams are recognised for their high degree of technical expertise. Our CDMO experts manage more than 25 purification process development projects each year. Our production plants operate under full cGMP and have been successfully inspected by the USA FDA and the ANSM. Novasep's Pompey site offers best-in-class services for both clinical and commercial purification needs, from development to cGMP production. With state-of-the-art equipment such as Hypersep, we deliver innovative, robust and effective purification processes to reach your target purity level and to maximise productivity from grams to tonnes. Novasep can purify a wide range of natural-based molecules. Natural extracts based on plant sources, animal sources or human sources. Fermentation broth, cell culture broth, biomass and many other complex biomolecules. We are flexible and can adapt to a wide variety of purification needs for molecules used as active ingredients for pharmaceutical or cosmetic products. We can also purify synthetic molecules.